Let's use dual camera. Open your Galaxy default camera app. In camera app, tap on more. And here select dual record. And now this part is my phone rear camera and this part is my phone front camera. To change your camera angle or camera position, just tap on this icon. And here you can choose two lenses. You can select front and wide, or you can select front or ultra wide, front or telephoto. So I'm selecting here front and wide and tapping on OK. Now tap on this icon. Here tap on this icon, and now you can split your camera screen. Now this lower part is my front camera and this upper part is my rear camera. So I'm going to selecting picture in picture view mode, and now tap on this resolution icon. You can change your resolution just like so. I'm selecting Ultra HD at 30 fps. Now tap on this icon and you can save video in separate files, or you can save the video as previewed. Now just tap on record, and now as you can see, this is my rear camera and this part is my front camera is now recording. Now let's stop recording and going to my gallery. And here as you can see, I've successfully recorded dual camera at the same time. And here's another thing you can do is you can split your camera. Just tap on this icon and then this part will be your front camera and this part will be your rear camera. Let's do it. As you can see, I've successfully changed my camera.